Good morning, everyone. We are back at it. It is Monday, April 27th. It's almost May. That's crazy. I miss you all so much. I'm so excited to be doing another week of online learning with you guys. I wish I could see you in person, but this is what we have to do. So we are going to have positive attitudes and we're going to get through this. Okay, so I changed up Google Classroom a little bit. That's why I'm doing another screen video. I need you guys to watch this video till the end because it's so important, the changes that I made. If you don't watch this, you're going to be completely confused about the new Google Classroom. Okay, so my first update for the day is that please make sure if we're chatting and I don't answer, please make sure you do not message me multiple times in a row. That means some of you, when I don't answer right away, you message me, Miss Leewald, Miss Leewald, Miss Leewald, Miss Leewald, Miss Leewald, Miss Leewald, and I get 10 messages in a row. Well, whenever you guys message me, I get a little ding. A little ding goes off on my computer. So this is what it sounds like. Ding, 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 ding. And usually if I don't answer, I'm either helping out one of your classmates or maybe I'm making lunch or taking my dog out. So please be respectful and only message me 1 or 2 times and I promise I will answer you back if it's between the hours of 8 and 3. Now after 3, the school day is technically over, but I'm still available. I just might not answer you back as quickly as I would between the times of 8 and 3. So I just wanted to make that clear to you guys. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly how your Google Classroom is going to work from now on. And I think I made it so easy for you guys, you're going to love it. So your schedule is going to be right here this morning. It's just not up yet. So you're going to click on your schedule and actually I want you to go to, you can either click the schedule there or I want everyone to go to classwork first. Classwork is right up here. Now, look how easy I made this for you guys. Monday, April 27th, today. Tuesday, April 28th. Wednesday, April 29th. Thursday, Friday. And these are all your assignments to do for each day. Boom. And to make it even easier, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. There you go. So I hope that you guys like this. I hope that it works a lot better for you and easier, but just make sure you know what to do. I'm going to go through step by step really quickly. So you're still going to read the schedule. I do not want you to get on and go straight to classwork and then not read the schedule and just do the assignments because there's some things that aren't on the assignments that are in the schedule, like silent reading or typing club. I'm not going to put that in the assignments because you know to just get on it. So I want you to read the schedule first. You're going to click April 27th. You are going to do Newsela, Lexia, practice reading to someone or something. That's not on the Google Classroom, but it's in the schedule. So see what I mean? You need to make sure you read the schedule and then you do the assignments on Google Classroom are the things that I need you to absolutely do and turn in. Those are what I'm taking for grades. Okay, so here's your schedule. You're going to scroll down. You're going to complete your schedule for the day. And then just to make sure you have everything done, make sure that you go to this classwork. Okay, Newsela, read the directions. Go through Clever to get to your Newsela article for today. It's called Healthy Plate, Healthy Planet. Okay, check. I did that, which that means that you actually have to go through your Clever and do your Newsela like always. Step 2, Freckle. You're going to get on Freckle and complete at least 2 sets of problems. Boom, there you go. I can see if you do that because I can see your screens. Okay, step 3 is your writing prompt. Who is your favorite person on the planet? What do you like most about that person? And then I just forgot to add, you guys are going to have a Google Doc right here that you can edit and send in. Step 4, you're going to learn about the United States presidents. You can choose either Google Doc or Google Slide and write at least 3 facts you learned about the president you chose. So, just like we've been doing always, I just made the Google Classroom page easier for you guys. So you know, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, I need to do these assignments. Now, make sure you are paying attention to this. Step 5 is optional for today, and for today only until I think of something else fun to do. But I found this thing that I thought was really cool. this is completely optional because I understand some of you might not want to do it and some of you might not be able to do it. So I attached some photos here. You're going to go outside and create a nature person or a person out of nature. So what you are going to do, I put some nature picture examples on here. So please do not message me and say, Miss Leewold, I don't know what to do for this, because I'm going to explain it right now. You can use your Chromebook or tablet or phone to take the photo of what you made, which I'm going to show you how to do that. So please do not ask me how to do that either. I'm showing you in this video. Well, you can ask me if you still don't understand after this video, but I'm going to try to explain it easy. You do not have to do this assignment. However, I would love if you would. I'm going to send your pictures in to Mrs. Faulkner and Mrs. Burnett, so I thought that would be fun. So you're going to click this. This is my example of pictures. See? Funny, cute little person made out of nature, sticks and leaves. There we go. Here's another one. And there's another one. So I would really like if you guys could do this, be creative. Now, this is how you get the camera. Most of you know how to get a camera. I know that you do because I've seen you do it in class. But if you do not know how to get your camera, what you're going to do is you're going to click the Google Docs plain Google Doc sheet that I have connected to the assignment. So it'll be over here. And you are going to go to Insert, Image, first thing on there, and then Camera. Now, you need to make sure that you allow your camera to, for the computer to be able to use your camera. It'll be a little message that pops up in the corner. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see me still in the corner, but my computer is showing some weird color thing over my face, but it's okay. We're still going to move on because I'm almost done. So what you're going to do is insert image and then press camera. You can take a picture of it. It's going to be a little difficult since it's a front-facing camera, but you can still do it. Or just use your tablet or your phone if you have one. That might be easier. And then you can upload it on to the Google Doc right after you take the picture. So I think that's the easiest way to do it. And then that's your schedule for today. Make sure you are actually going through the schedule, and then just to make sure you are going to the Monday, April 27th, and you're looking at your steps, and there you go. Voila, you completed your whole day. So this is how we're going to do the Google Classroom from now on. See, Tuesdays, you guys won't be able to see any of Tuesday's assignments yet because they are scheduled for then. But then Tuesday, you're going to be able to go through and do each step and make sure you are turning those steps in. Those are what's being graded. All right, thank you guys for putting up with me for 8 minutes now and not closing your tab out. I hope you all have a great day. I hope that you stay in contact and that I get to see your lovely faces. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye.